Morning folks, plan of attack today, back down the cabin, finish the roof off, finish the light off, try and clad the back wall and insulate it, see what that looks like. Possibly do a bit of cooking on some chicken. I want to try and cook in like a foil parcel, but inside the outbacker stove. What else? That's it until we get there. Oh, the bench. We'll have a look at the bench, see if I can sort something out so I can make it a bit bigger, or foldable, removable, whatever. So we're going to make our tracks, get down. It's a bit cold today, so we'll have a look what the temperature is inside the cab. Hold on. Inside the cabin, and then what we'll do, I'll put the outbacker stove on and see what temperature we can get up to, which will be quite interesting. Someone's got to tell me in the description down below what the C is. Is it Celsius, centigrade? Right, catch you there. Oh, and just another one. If the camera works a bit sloppy today, it's because I ran over my tripod last night as we were leaving the woods. So I've got another one ordered. Okay, let's go and see what we can achieve today. Roads are a bit dodgy, but we live in the country, so I think quite fortunate really. Well, I think so. I love the countryside, so I just thought I'd show you some of the stuff. They're having a bit of a tidy up around here. See, all the fences have been renewed. Looking a bit wet, could be, don't know. Could just pass over, it's not too bad. I think it's only forecast 20% rain today. We will see. Okay, we're here in a second. You can see it's a bit of a dirt track. Well, it's not, it's a good road, a bit potholy, but it's alright. And here we are. Whew. And it's a bit chilly. Right. Switch off, catch you in a bit. Okay, I'll just crack on now. I won't show you. You know what I've been doing. So, I'll let you know. I'll film it when I've finished. Oh, and hopefully I might get that done down towards the bench and insulated, but we'll see. Started on that, looks pretty tidy and almost done. Got one piece. I might have to take that to work with me and cut it because it's a little bit off. I would say it's like 45mm to 55mm. It's like my chimney. I haven't insulated over this way too much, so I just get anywhere near the chimney, but I've insulated the middle. Lights are up, looking pretty tidy. Cotton bud soaked in Vaseline and this is quite an old fire steel. This is going to take some doing. Sorry about the camera work. I'm going to have to use a conventional lighter. Come on, usually pretty good. Hey, look at that. I'm not very keen on that, that's why I never use it much. Right. In we go. Whew. Right, let's get this going and I'm going to get some chicken on. Okay, so I'm going to put a few logs on. We've got a temperature inside at the moment of 8 centigrade, Celsius, 8, I don't know. So I'm going to close the door and see what sort of temperature we can get up to. Looking good. Wasn't very clever, was it? Still frozen. So I'm just going to try and defrost it a little bit. I don't want it to cook quickly. What we're looking at now, temperature rise, look at that. from 7.9, or was it 8 something, to 10 now. Nice, it's nice and toasty in here. Water boiler on for a cup of tea. Not cooking them too quick, just defrosted them. She's on the slowest simmer, with the door shut and the vent shut, and it's just ticking over beautifully. There you go. Bit of veg. Chicken defrosting. Jacket off. Might have to be t-shirt off. I got a thermal underneath though, so that's probably why it's a bit warm in here. I wonder what 13.2 Celsius is. I'm going to Google it. There, John, the chicken is defrosted, so I'll show you a little trick with that I'm going to do. I'm only going to put the veg on for a second, get the water warm, I'll take it off, and then I'll put the chicken inside the oven with a bit of luck and see what happens. I'll seal that and then put some sauce in with it and we'll give it a go. Sorry about the picture. I was told you I've got no tripod. Tea time. I'm going to have to open the door. I'm absolutely sweltering in here. Let's have a look. It's 15.1. I am roasting. Brilliant. Cool. 16 and the door's being open because I can't cope. Just turn the chicken around. I think the veg is not far off now. Yep, I think we're not far off there. I might take him off the heat for a bit. It's hot. We'll give the chicken another 5-6 minutes, 10 minutes, when we'll see. Well, who would have thought? I suppose this makes it just like an oven, so I'm just going to leave a bit of space at the front to fit it in. Close the door. Beautiful. The veg is done, the chicken's done. I'm just giving it a couple of more minutes just to brown off on the top. I might just pop a bit of cheese on it. And there we go. What a cracking stove. Multiple. So I've done water, vegetables, cooked it as an oven inside. I'm impressed. Cool. Plus, I forgot one more thing. This is a shout out to Chris. You know who you are. Thanks very much for watching my videos and commenting. First class, mate. Thank you very much. And Robert as well, Robert. Cheers. Oh, Ian, don't forget your turn to cook.
Say goodbye, but you go and look at this. Parsnips dipped in sweet chili sauce and butter. I'm not joking. Beautiful. Oh. Beautiful. And then we've got whole carrots as well. They're probably going to be hot. Let's try one. Nice. Thank you.